Guys, we are back with another video. Today we're playing Watch Dogs. I hope this is my account, because it always, yes, it's my account. Right, guys, let me just quickly. Right, guys, anyway, let's continue. So I think we just got out of the place or something. We're nearly out, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, let's go into this. Hurry up. Right, see when this is done. Right, guys, we are here. Okay. Right, 1 sec, let me just fix this. Yeah, guys, oh, and Dad were just watching TV, so. Right, that's a Pokemon card, let me not get that. That's fun. There's along the beach, there's a ton of, what are they called? I forgot, quadra things. I need to buy a gun. Like, jeez. Bye. Uh-oh. Okay, never do that in real life. That was just cause... Yes, I know how to ride in a car. Right. Let me just... Apps. You naughty boy. Yeah, that's what I want. Really, I'm pathetic, really. She hurt me. I hit her. Okay, let me just hide. Here. Where's the nearest clothes bit? Coffee. Right. Oh, here. Right, let me just get a better car, I'm sorry. Boom. Right here. It's funny, there's no police. It's funny how they don't do anything, because, like, it's always them, like, I'm stealing their car when they're right there. Like, so I play this game a ton. Okay, can I get a motorbike? Yeah, I can. I'm just trying to get a faster car, that's all. See? I'm not blowing things up. Oh, what car is that? Oh, it's not good. Well, it's good, but it's just not. Jeez, what is this? Jeez. This is too glitchy. Right, I need to. Okay. Quickly get in this car. Thank you. I just needed that car. Jeez. What's this? Yes, I know that. Too far. I don't care about cops. Let me just go in here, okay? Sorry, but I need to get some clothes. Right. Well, thanks for ruining my day. Where are they even? Jeez. Why did they even call the cops? I just took a car. By the way, you should never take a car in real life, just cause. Right, let's wait for this to load. Here we go. And I get good. Oh, it's right here. Sick. Shut up. Right. Actually, no other ones is there. Oh. This is what I want. Glasses. I don't exactly need glasses, but these bombs. Don't care. Jeez, I would never do that much of a bad. What is this? Can you like not glitch? Okay. What? Why can I not get bags? I don't care. No, I don't want that. Just go for, yeah, this one. Try the bag now. Oh, I don't have enough. Darn. Let's just get these. Okay. Dollars gained. Now what do I need to do? Okay. Right. Could I please borrow your motorbike? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Oh no, you naughty girl. You do not call the police on me. Who's that calling the police? He has a gun too. I want that. Okay, I just want the gun. That gun here. Oh yeah, this is a lot better gun. Oh my. Just wait a sec. I need to get into noodle maps. Jeez, that is a long way. I just got a sick gun. They should get arrested for destroying this car. Bye. Jeez. Bye bye. Right. Okay. Stop. Please don't say that. Well, they do, but like, shouldn't. Jesus. It's a lot. There's SWAT cars coming as well once you've been around long enough. Jeez, look at this. Great, you've been hit a long time ago. Okay, this is bad. Bye. Can you just stop? Like, now? You're hit. Hannah, you hit. Oh yeah, because they'll come out their cars now, won't they? Oh no. That's what I thought. Right. Okay. Jeez. You. Hey, I want to see that car blow up. No, my car won't work. Jesus, get him. Jeez. At least I got one of their guns, which is a sick gun, by the way. Right, guys. Whoa. And yeah, guys. I feel like Oh yeah, this is sick. Still got that gun, and it's a sick gun. I don't think I'll need to go to that 3D printer. Right, guys. I need to heal. Is that like a way I can go? It actually is. Right. Stop there, I need your car, mister. Okay. I didn't get the car. Hello? Please! Oh, I thought that was a woman. Oh, whoa, look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I thought that was a good car. Turns out nah. Right. Oh ho! Right, there is boats, right? There is boats in this game, I just don't know where they are. Right, guys. Hope you did enjoy this video. And, yeah, I hope it, like, oh yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I was trying to end it, like, cool. Nothing. Right, I'm just gonna hide in this car. And, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.